Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a BMW 1 Series battery. Before you begin, prioritize safety. Always disconnect the negative terminal first to prevent electrical shorts. Make sure to wear protective gloves and eye protection throughout the entire process. Double-check that your vehicle is completely off and the key is removed from the ignition to avoid any unexpected power surges or activations. Now let's locate your battery. In most BMW 1 Series models, it's found in the trunk, usually beneath a floor panel or trim cover. Once exposed, you'll need to remove the hold-down clamp that secures the battery in place. Then, disconnect the terminal connections, starting with the negative. Carefully lift out the old battery. They can be quite heavy, so lift with your legs. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. Carefully place the new battery into the battery tray, ensuring it sits securely. Now, connect the terminals in the reverse order. Attach the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Make sure all connections are tightened firmly to prevent any loose contacts or power interruptions down the road. This ensures a reliable electrical flow. After installation, it's crucial to register the new battery with a suitable diagnostic tool. This tells your car's computer about the new battery, optimizing charging and extending its lifespan. Finally, reinstall all covers and trim pieces you removed, ensuring everything is secure. Remember to check the description below for a link to these great socks and other helpful deals. Proper registration is key for your BMW's electrical system to function correctly and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.